Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Navjeevan Panthi, Senior Physiotherapist, Medanta City Hospital. Here I am one of the I am leading the one of the liver transplant department and liver gastrophysiotherapy, managing approximately around 250 beds and 2 critical care ICU. I am sure you all are taking precautions to fight with this pandemic situation. A lot of us are stuck at home in lockdown. A lot of us are stuck at home in lockdown. So distancing upon the social events and society, but trust me, there's one thing we can't give up. That's exercise. So in next 30 to 45 minutes, I'm going to explain you all exercises for the population who are working from home, either from desktop or either from laptop. I'll be explaining all this, and for them I'll share all the tech stretches. One thing that I will say, that these exercises will definitely help. These exercises will definitely help you and quite valuable in maintaining the correct posture as well. So exercise in which you don't need any kind of equipments or tools. So these are the exercises where I'll be taking basic exercises at home, where you can take the appropriate environment, where you need not need any kind of equipment to do this. So first thing, whenever it comes to the exercises, it's always about the motivation factors, right? So exercise, I would like to tell that it is a habit. So exercise is a habit. If you have the habit of doing exercises, definitely you will find your motivation as well. So to find that motivation, from my personal point of view, what I feel like you should find your own motivation to do it. To find your own motivation, you have to be regular on the routine. So before you do any kind of exercises, only keep one thing in mind, that you have to follow a routine. So if I say there are different motivations, right? You should enjoy the exercise also. There should be exercises that you enjoy. So some exercise might be very much heavy, and every individual is different, right? Some are able to lift 20 kg, some are able to lift 1 kg, but that doesn't makes the difference, right? So you have to pick your own exercises according to yourself. So you need not need to see on other individual, like you go to the gym or you compare it with other individual. So don't do that. For so you have make a appropriate spot, right? Just try to stay goal oriented. So just make a goal. If I say, if you need to make a goal, like if you want to run for approximately around 5 kilometers. So running for 5 kilometers is due to this pandemic situation, it's going out is being difficult, right? What you can do is you can use the corridors, you can use the connecting rooms, right? Inside the room, you can use different apps that are available, like 5K Coach. I would like to say that is one of the app which can track you, and which you can keep your motivation high. That app will also help you to achieve that target, right? So something target oriented on the exercise part, and something motivating, right? And something doing something that you really enjoy. Okay. So after this exercises, like I will just try to see on the focus part. A lot of the persons are working in home as well, right? In the home based setup. So in the home based setup, they might not be having appropriate setup for themselves. So that appropriate setup you have to build on your own. You have to find a fit. That fit will help you to achieve a better posture, a better work environment, where you will protect yourself from being affected with musculoskeletal disorders. So a lot of us might be having neck pain, a lot of us might be having back pain. So what you have to do is you have to set up on your own. So there are some basic tips that I'm going to give you, right? Whenever you are using desktop or the laptop, just try to keep your mouse and keyboards close to yourself. Don't push it too back so that you need to reach that thing, right? So if you keep the mouse and keyboard little bit far from you, you have to stretch yourself little bit inside so that you reach to the mouse and keyboard. If it is with you, okay, in the reach, so your stretched shoulders are on the left position, right? If you see that there's no, if it is too high or too low, that also makes the difference, right? If it is too high, I have to raise my shoulder to reach there. So see, maintaining this constant postures for approximately around 1 hour also can give a lot of tension to your muscles, and they definitely will on the long run it will be into the other form of disease like musculoskeletal disorders, right? We can make that we can protect ourselves from simple adjustment, right? Like the first thing you have to see, you need to just see the height of the chair, right? If the height of the chair should be just to the surface of the table. Next, the wrist arm support of the chair should be aligned together. Okay, if you see the desk, my chair is aligned, right? And next thing is your back support. You should have a very comfortable back support where you maintain the normal curvature of the spine. So normal curvature is like it is dip over here. So here also we have slight dip, right? जो पीछे हमारे बैक के पीछे हमारे बैक के जो कर्व्स हैं उनके लिए हम मतलब उसको हमें मेंटेन करना है, उसके लिए हम पीछे तकिया लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है, नेक के नीचे हम वो लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है, सिंपल समथिंग अ टॉवल रोल और एनीथिंग इफ यू फील लाइक रिलैक्सिंग आल्सो यू कैन डू दैट, राइट? So importantly you just have to add something that supports your lower back on the chair adjustment part, not require on the neck. If you want to relax, you can put a towel and then relax for some while. So basically our bodies does not take the sustained postures, right? We have to keep changing our posture. Our body is not made to work constantly. We need to keep taking a frequent break. We need to keep taking a lot of frequent stretches to our hands, leg, right? So if I see there's three things I would like to say. One is the sustained abnormal posture that we attain. Another is the contact stretch, the thing that we are coming on contact with, like this kind of hand is our wrist is coming in contact with the table. So you are putting a lot of pressure to your wrist, right? Decreasing the blood flow. There is always compression on the knob roots, right? So with improving time, like as the time progresses, you might develop a lot of wrist problems, wrist pain, right? It could be like carpal tunnel syndrome or something else, and other kind of disorders also you can face that. So next thing I would like to say, one is sustained posture, another is repetitions and contact stress. So on the contact stress, I told you about the contact with the tables, and another is repetitive stress. So repetitive stress, like if I have a keyboard and I keep typing for whole day, so approximately I type approximately around 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs of keystrokes per day. So my fingers are the one to do it. So doing that for 2 lakhs, remember how much you are going to stress your hands and finger. So these are the basic things that you have to take care on the area, right? Your screen should be at the arm distance, the screen should be at the arm distance, and your screen should be just below the eyes, right? So that you don't strain your eyes. You should also have a very good natural light inside your cabin or inside your workplace where you are trying to adjust, so that the radiation that are coming through the screen, it should not affect your eyes as well. So people are suffering like lot of eye strain and other kind of eye problem as well, just because of working too long with the screens. So it could be either mobile, it could be either the laptop, either the desktop that we have. So basically we have to protect ourselves from the screen. So Uh, in this modern world, I would like to say that the screen are deciding our postures. So that should not be the scenario, right? Now you should see yourself first, then only the screen. So please just whenever you are sitting on the desk, whenever you are doing all that stuff, just try to see that key, are you sitting correct? Then only further you go with the screen, right? Key, what the work you have to do. First, position yourself with the desk. First, position your mouse and keyboard. Second, and very important part, right? Some people have the height of approximately around 7.